Render Tile Inset, Part 1, Video 191. In the top-level constant macros section, we have added some insets for how much to inset for different tile layers. We have the maximum possible inset in discrete units. DUI stands for discrete unit inset. We have a 1/3, 2/3, and 3/3. Checking the hex against the decimal to just know for sure that we have the values we think we have. The geometry will get the least inset, making the geometry tiles the biggest. The bomb tiles have a medium inset, making them in the middle. And the fata tiles have the largest inset, making them the smallest. Here we're checking our math. And here we are checking our math even more, right? In this section right here. In the top level lookup tables, we take those three constants for the different insets and we make a lookup table layer to discrete unit inset for the geometry, bombs, and fata, which are enumerated as 0, 1, and 2 respectively. We have some monkey wrench macros in the illegal stuff section. In ArtGirl shader source fragment number 5, this is the lookup table for the discrete unit inset, the layer to the discrete unit inset, but it's on the GPU side. We've used the templating syntax to inject the values from the CPU side into our shader, and we need to wrap it in a U32 constructor for this syntax here to be valid. Here is where we're going to do the logic for insetting the tiles, but we've already done enough in this video, so we'll save this for video 192. Here's a shorthand function for math.floor. What we did previously, and then a whole bunch of footnotes, and what we did in this video. If you want more explanation, go to the longer video on this playlist. You have been on video 191. The source code for this snapshot is here. You can email me here. This has been video 191. Like and subscribe.